Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, ang gagawin naman natin is, di ba nauso yung Dalgona coffee? Ito yung, basta search nyo lang sa YouTube or sa internet na uso yung Dalgona coffee. So right now, ang gagawin naman natin is gagawa tayo ng Dalgona coffee cake. So this one, pwede nyo siyang gamitin or pwede nyo siya, gawin as a merienda or midnight snack. Gagawin natin siya sa kusina namin. And let's go there. Samahan niyo ako. Pumunta tayo doon. Papatay lang ako ng electric fan. Electric fan ng artist. Tapos doon natin gawin. Wait lang. Okay, we're here na sa aming kusina. Okay, papakita muna namin yung mga kinakailangan natin gawin. Of course, kailangan natin ng ating whisk. What's this one?
Spatula.
Very good. And then a knife.
And a spoon.
Spoon. Tapos
bowl.
Bowls lang.
And a plate.
And then a plate. So, ang ingredients nito is tatlo lang. Kailangan natin ng KREMSADA. Kahit isa lang. This one is enough. And then, get the
Ginagawa mo!
Ito.
Okay, kailangan din natin itong cake. Actually, or originally, ang ginagamit nila is FUDGEE bar. However, out of stock na. So, pwede na natin 5 pieces nito. And then, coffee. Since Dalgona coffee cake na yung gagawin natin. So, let's
Start it!
Okay, so kailangan natin mag-open ng 5 ganito. Once na naka-open na, we're going to slice it into 3. Hanggat kaya. So, pag na-open niya lang ganito, using this one, siguro 2 na lang, marami naman siya. Wait lang, baby. Okay, you're just going to slice like this.
Just
You open the others na.
May nakabuksan na po dito po. Nabuksan na agad po ang pagkain natin. Yan po, nakikita nito.
I told you not to, open using your mouth, eh.
Oh yeah. I cannot guys to use my mouth because maybe I may knock the plastic. So I need to use a scissor.
And then, next thing, we're going to separate yung KREMSADA. First, we're going to mix
This one po.
using this one. Wait na, baby. I'll just put aside.
We're getting some vlogs. Check out the ice cream, cookies and cream, guys. Check that. I just baked by myself.
So, for this one, at least chilled siya for 8 hours. Pagka ganito. Kung i-freezer nyo, 1 hour lang. Kasi pag more than 1 hour,
It's going to be malamig.
mag-watery na yung KREMSADA ninyo pag mix ninyo. Wait lang, baby.
Okay.
So,
So we're going to
Wait. Mix nyo lang until
it
mag-foamy. Mix it. I'll just get something.
Okay. I'm going to mix it now.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Mommy, oops.
Hala! What happened? Okay, once foamy na yung ginamit nyo or ginawa nyong KREMSADA, you're going to separate it into 2 bowls. So, using this one, isi-separate natin siya. Dapat equally divided. parang mas marami to. Pero once na separate nyo na, yung isa, lalagyan nyo siya ng coffee. Parang ito yung ito yung gagamitin nyo para maglasa siyang kape. So, 1 tablespoon. Here. Ang dami. And then, mix nyo lang din. Okay, once na-mix na, get your container sa ating mahiwagang green container. And then, dati ice cream na naman, Dalgona cake. So, ilalagay nyo lang yung ina-slice ninyong FUDGEE bar or QUAKE. Tapos yung mga blank or mga empty, ano ba tawag dito? Yung may mga space, lagyan nyo na lang din siya ng additional cake. Pwede nyo itong i-slice. Basta depende na lang sa sukat ng container na gagamitin ninyo. Ayan, as you can see, fill in na yung buong container natin. Ha?
Ganyan kalaki na gagawin mo?
So, ilalagay na natin yung first layer. Ito na lang. Yung una, yung walang halong coffee. So, depende kung anong gusto nyong mauna. Ayan na siya. And then, lalagyan ulit natin siya ng another layer. Ayan na siya. And then, the last one, we're going to put yung coffee yung KREMSADA na hinaluan natin ng coffee. So, feeling ko for this one, pwede pa natin siyang patungan ng another layer. If you still have enough QUAKE na pwedeng gamitin, pwede nyo siyang patungan kasi mapapakapal na masyado yung KREMSADA natin on top. So, dadagdagan ko na siya. And once you're done with the first, second, ilang layer to? Third layer, lagay mo na yung last na KREMSADA. Feeling ko medyo mapait-pait na to.
Hindi ba kailangan?
Okay. This is the finish. Natapon! Oh, no! Ito na yung finished product natin. You can add some toppings sa ibabaw. May dadagdag doon si Daddy. Wait lang. Okay, for this one, ang itatoppings namin is yung Milo. Masyadong malaki ito. Wala kasi kayo maliit. Okay, so ito na siya. Ang tinappings namin ay Milo. Hindi ko siya masyadong magano kasi matatapon na naman. So then again, we're going to put this one inside the ref for 5 hours. So tomorrow na namin siya mapapakita. Palagay sa freezer. So ang mga ginamit natin is KREMSADA. Actually, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng Nestle cream. If Nestle cream ang gagamitin ninyo, 2 Nestle cream, yung regular size nila na ganyan. And then, 1 condensed milk. Pwede nyo siyang tansyahin, depende sa kung gaano kalaking cake or gaano karaming bread yung pinapay na gagamitin ninyo. So then again, pwede kayong gumamit ng FUDGEE bar or QUAKE. Anything na parang chocolate cake na ganito yung texture niya, yun yung gagamitin ninyo. And then coffee, para yun na yung pinaka Dalgona coffee taste natin. So yun naman guys, thank you. Yes, be creative. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you. Yeah, and then if you have suggestion na mga recipes na pwedeng gawin DIY, suggest din kayo.
The next day.
Here's the finished product. We're going to slice it here. No, umangat pero okay lang yan. Let me just get some
Guys, cards. We're playing cards. But so I'm going to try it. What's the taste? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
How does it taste?
No reaction challenge pa rin sila.
Does it taste good or not? It's a little bit.
Coffee. You say coffee. So, to try, si Kuya po should try ng
Sarap.
cake niya po.
Boy.
Cake ni Mami. Come here, Kuya, and you try the cake.
Ang sarap.
Mami. Mami. Mami.
Parang siyang cake na ice cream. Ang panis. Sarap. Guys, hopefully, itry nyo rin to sa bahay. Very easy to do.
So don't forget to subscribe and like. Comment down below if you have any suggestions.